Hi, and welcome. Are you curious about how AI can help you work smarter and faster? In this beginner-friendly course, you will learn about how to use Github Copilot inside Visual Studio Code to write, debug, and understand code with the help of AI. You don't need any prior AI nor programming experience. We'll start from scratch, installing Copilot, writing your first code, and using things like smart actions, fixing code, explaining code, and generating code. You'll also learn about how to use custom instructions and Copilot agent mode to create entire projects, document your code, and even build features using just a text file. Every chapter includes real examples, downloadable PDFs, and a cheat sheet to support your learning. My name is Stef van Loveren. I am an experienced developer from Belgium. I already have a few courses on Udemy with over 2,500 students. With this course, I aim to learn this thrilling new technology to a lot of new people.